dominated by four-strokes, there's one two-stroke legend that refuses to fade away. The 2026 Yamaha YZ125 is here, and Yamaha continues to prove that the screaming 125 two-stroke still has a vital place in motocross. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, where today we're breaking down why this lightweight ripper remains a favorite among riders who know what pure, unfiltered fun feels like. Design. The YZ125 maintains its razor-sharp motocross DNA with a design focused entirely on performance. Yamaha has updated the graphics package for 2026, giving the bike a fresh, aggressive look that screams race-ready. The lightweight aluminum frame keeps the overall weight impressively low, which is crucial for a 125. The bodywork is slim and purposeful, allowing for easy movement when you're attacking corners or navigating technical sections. The signature Yamaha blue pops, and every element of this bike's design serves a functional purpose. This isn't about flash, it's about going fast on the dirt. Performance. Let's talk about what makes the YZ125 special. That 124cc liquid-cooled two-stroke engine delivers explosive, hit-you-in-the-chest power that four-strokes simply can't replicate. The power band is snappy and responsive, rewarding skilled throttle control and clutch work. Yamaha's YPVS power valve system ensures usable power across the rev range, while maintaining that iconic two-stroke bark. The engine is paired with a smooth 5-speed transmission that lets you keep the bike singing in its power band. Weight is a massive advantage here. The YZ125 is nimble, flickable, and incredibly responsive to rider input, making it perfect for developing skills or competitive racing. Features and technology. While the YZ125 doesn't feature electronic rider aids, that's entirely the point. This bike is about mechanical simplicity and rider development. The 2026 model features Kayaba suspension components with updated settings for improved performance across various track conditions. The front and rear brakes offer strong, progressive stopping power. Yamaha has refined the clutch for better feel and durability. The air filter access is tool-free, making maintenance quick between motos. It's a bike that encourages you to learn proper technique rather than relying on electronics to save you. Conclusion. The 2026 Yamaha YZ125 proves that two-stroke motocross bikes still matter. It's pure, lightweight, and absolutely thrilling to ride for anyone who appreciates the raw connection between rider and machine. Do you think two-strokes will ever make a full comeback? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this review, give us a like and share it with your moto crew. Subscribe to Next Gen Reviews and hit that bell icon so you don't miss our future reviews. Now, get out there and ride!